Do you feel the way the tripartite agreements progress is going on, because it was supposed to be a time-bound thing?
Yes.
Are the youth really satisfied with how things are moving on? What are your remarks?
Thank you for the excitement question for us. Actually, we hope and believe that the government of India is much positive on these issues. See, if we see the past history of Tripura, when ADC was created, that time many leaders from the state they have said, "Rokto Dibo, ADC Dibano," which means we will give a bloodshed, but we will not give an ADC. But that time, Indira Gandhi has withdrawn and give us a fresh letter, which he overruled and give us ADC. After that, again, during the accord of TNB, during the TNB accord, it was again said, no such seat sharing shall be given to the TNB accord. But same thing happened with Rajiv Gandhi, the late Prime Minister. He said that, and he overruled it again, and he gave us 3 seats in the constituency. And now we hope and believe, though many leaders from the state, if they are not agree with our agreement, since it's a tripartite agreement, the promoter, state of government of Tripura and the government of India, not with the BJP government. If they want, they can overrule and they can give us. That's why we have faith and trust in our Maharaj that such which the agreement was been signed, it will obviously give us a fruitful, and one day it will be success. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day we believe the agreement of Triprasa Accord will be success within the state of Tripura.
What about the progress, the ways going on?
The,
Because the final talks, we are expecting that on 17th of January there will be a final talk like that, but it somehow did not happen. Are you happy the way the things are happening, the progress of the thing happening? Because Maharaj himself had sometimes even in social media he has spoken about.
yes, for this reason, see the progress, since the progress is going on, and that's why we are waiting. All in all, Maharaj will speak on that. Whatever the Maharaj, whatever he take the decisions, we are ready on that issues, and that's why Maharaj has just mentioned on his social media during the live video. He said that if the government of India was not positive on the issues of the Prasay Accord, we are ready to withdraw the government for the alliance. We all are ready to support Maharaj, and I hope the government of India have some sentiments on Tiprasas, and we love government of India. We have faith such incident won't happen, since Tipra is not only for Tiprasas. We all living here for many years with different communities. That's why we hope the Tiprasa Accord will be on a very good progress. I hope so. And in the plenary session, we are discussing on these issues. In the plenary session, on both the day 27 and 28, Maharaj will be present along with us.
And sir, my last is on the village council election. It was supposed to be, because there was a case from that promoter party also. It was supposed to happen, but without a village council, the three panchayat system in the ADC is not happening. It's almost around more than 4.5 year.
Yes.
Times have passed. So how do you see into it?
See, this matter, we have filed a case on High Court to the state government. So I let the state government give the positive answer on this. We are ready to conduct the ADC election for the many years. We came in the power in 2021. From that time onwards, we have been asking and we have been protest against the village community elections. Many elections happens in Agartala itself. The municipality election has finished and over. But why the BC's election is not yet conducted? It depends. Let the government of Tripura, the state government, let them give the answer. It's not on us to give the answers, and we are ready for conducting the elections. We all the time we are ready for that.
But what is your view on it? You are not supposed to answer on that. But what is your view on that? How do you see into that things, the progress? Because ADC's village committees are very important, crucial role
Yes.
at the grassroots level.
Obviously, that's why in the village committee elections, many of our peoples were not much developed right now, because we don't have any BC chairmen. We don't have any funds which was allocated to the VCs. For this reason, maybe I don't know why the government of Tripura they are afraid. Maybe they are afraid of another coronavirus or no. I don't know that. because they have been saying that coronavirus was going on. That's why we could not conduct the BC elections. Maybe which kind of virus are they affected? We can't say on that. But for us, we urge the government of Tripura as much as possible. Please conduct a BC elections, since we have filed a case in the High Court as well.